Hey guys, hi. In this video, I will show you how to download TS Intermediate first year and second year hall ticket. Let's get in the topic. First of all, open our mobile Chrome, then search Janana Janana Bhumi Gov.in. See this. Click the link. Now click three bars and open into desktop mode. Then read here. Board of Intermediate Education. Click here. Download question paper IPE March 2019 hall ticket download. Your first year. Put your hall ticket number 34567 3. Then download. I don't know anyone hall ticket number. That's why it's asking like that. Now completed. Thank you guys. Bye. If you want more videos from my channel, subscribe our channel. Thank you guys.